Good morning, everyone. Hello. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning,
morning.
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we will do revision work of geography lesson number 1, which is coming in periodic test. Clear? So you have to do this test in your notebook, SST notebook. You have to write down only the answer
Yes,
and the option. Full answer. Okay. If C option is correct, then you write down answer 1, C, vegetables. Full answer you have to write down in your notebook. No need to copy the questions. Okay. Now we should continue. Everybody is ready now?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So my first question: which of these have some utility? Which of these
All,
have some utility? No,
All
nobody.
of these.
all of,
Wait. How we have done history work, history revision work. Nobody is going to answer any question here. Only you have to write down in your notebook and just raise your hands up. Those who have written in the notebook
Only
first.
answer. Only answer.
Only answer you write down in your notebook. And if you have written in the notebook first, and then you have to raise your hand. After writing in the notebook, then only you have to raise your hand up. Clear? And
yes,
then,
ma'am, written.
and then when I will ask you with the name, then you will give the response. Okay? Now, first of all, your Vidhi has raised the hand up. Yes, Vidhi, which of these have some utility?
All of these.
All of these. Yes, Jayashri. Jayashri and
All of these.
Jayashri also is in favor of all of these. Preet and Shubham.
Ma'am, all of these.
Okay, fine. So that means the first answer. If you have written D option, all of these, that is correct answer. Which of these have some utility? Utility means some importance. Water, electricity, vegetables. All are having the importance. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My next question. Which of these have an economic value? Landscape, home remedies, metals, or none of these? Again, Vidhi was the first one. Yes, Vidhi.
Metals.
Then Jayashri.
Home remedies.
Okay. Then Shubham.
Ma'am, home remedies.
Okay. Preet, what you have written?
Ma'am, metals.
Metals. Okay. Anybody else? Mehak, what you have written?
Ma'am, metals.
Ma'am,
Metals.
metals.
Also metals.
Oh,
Tanishka, metals.
okay.
Ma'am,
Dhruv.
Anjali, metals.
Okay. Dhruv.
Nikita.
Ma'am, metals.
Okay. So now everybody is in favor of metals. Those who have written metals,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the answer will be correct. C option. That is which of these have an economic value? Economically, which is more important? Metals. Clear? Anjali, hands down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is everybody hands down. Next question. Resources are distributed unequally over the earth because of. Yes, Shubham?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
all
all
of
of
these.
these.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of
Ma'am
these.
Nikita also all of these.
Resources
Ma'am,
are
also all of these.
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Ma'am, all
All
of
of Ma'am,
these.
all of these. Ma'am, Bhavika, all of these.
Ma'am, all of these.
resources are distributed unequally
Ma'am,
over the
ma'am,
earth because of, yes,
ma'am, I think level of development. Ma'am, A. Ma'am, the different natural conditions.
according to the natural conditions, beta. Natural conditions means land different or difference in land, climate, and the factors which are over the climate, weather. Every natural condition is responsible for the resource. Somewhere metals, that means gold is found more. Somewhere petroleum is found more. Why? This is just because of the natural
Different
conditions.
natural conditions.
Different natural conditions. So third option will be, third question will, option will be
A. The different natural conditions.
The
resource.
different natural condition.
Yes, different natural conditions. Resources are distributed unequally over the earth because of the different natural conditions. This will be the correct option. If you have written this, then it's okay. Otherwise, you write down the correct option in front. Next, resources drawn from the nature.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, natural resources.
natural resources. Ma'am, natural resources. Ma'am, Tanishka, natural resources. Natural resources. Ma'am, natural resources.
Have I taken anybody's name? Have I taken anybody's name to answer this? Only you have to raise your hand up. Okay, now Farhan will answer. Resources drawn from nature and used without much modification are called?
Natural resources.
Now everybody whose hands are raised. Any other option is there? Any other option for this? Or everybody is in favor of natural resources? Everybody is in favor of natural resources?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the correct option then. Resources drawn from nature are used without much modification is a natural resource. Hands down. Next is fifth question. Give an example of biotic resource. Rock, minerals, soil, animals. Yes, Vidhi.
Ma'am, animals.
Ma'am, animal.
Sure. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
animals.
Yes,
Animals.
Animals.
Yes, ma'am. Animals.
Rocks and minerals will not be there.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They are
No, ma'am.
abiotic.
No, ma'am.
Non-living organisms.
They are not.
Very good.
This
Very
is
good.
no.
Very good. Very good. That means you know the reason also, है ना? So example of biotic resources, animals. Written in your notebook. Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to check the notebooks. The one who is doing. Yes. The one who is doing in the notebook. I want to check the notebook. Show me. Yes, Mehak has shown good. Anybody else who is doing the work? Everybody has to do the work, na? Yes, Nikita. Yes, Dhruv.
मैम 2 सेकंड बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ, wait. हाँ, show it to me. Yes, Anjali has shown. Yes, good. Yes, Dhruv also. Yes, visible.
Ma'am, Shubham.
Yes, good.
मैम ध्रुव.
हाँ, Dhruv, good. I have seen. Good. Next, anybody else? After Dhruv.
मैम
Shubham.
तनिष्का. मैम प्रांजल.
Wait, wait. Yes, Vedanshi. I am able to see yours also. Yes, good. हाँ,
तनिष्का.
हाँ, Tanishka, show it to me. Pranjal has shown.
Shubham. Ma'am, Shubham.
Okay. Shubham, yes.
Preet.
Preet. Yes, good.
Ma'am, Bhavika.
Yes, Bhavika, show. Preet, show.
Ma'am, Priyanka Chaudhary.
मैम
हाँ.
सिद्धार्थ.
Okay,
मैम
Siddharth.
प्रांजल.
Pranjal, I have seen
Ma'am,
yours.
Shubham.
Mehak, Shubham. Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am, Vidhi.
Okay. Shubham, wait a second. Listen now. When any answer is wrong, when any the answer you have written wrong, everybody listen carefully. If any answer you have written wrong, just don't scribble in your notebook. Just put one line with the pen on that, or put a wrong in front of that, and write down the correct answer. Clear? Scribbling नहीं करनी, गंदा लगेगा. Only one straight line and write down the correct answer in front. Yes, Vidhi and Priyanka. Yes, I have seen yours. Good.
Ma'am, Mehak.
हाँ, Mehak. Yes, it is visible. Good. Okay, Tanishka.
Bhavika.
हाँ, yes, Bhavika and Siddharth. Where are your notebook? Yes, Tanishka and Priyanka. I have seen yours. Good.
Ma'am, Tanishk.
हाँ, Tanishk. Where? Yes, Preet, I have seen yours. Good. Yes, good handwriting. Yes, Siddharth was telling me, and one more was asking me, na? Siddharth and who? Shubhang. Who was asking me to show me the notebook?
मैंने दिखा दी।
दिखा दी आपने, है ना? तो और कौन बचा है नोटबुक के लिए? एवरीबडी हैज शोन? ऋषभ,
Yes, ma'am.
ऋषभ, हाँ रवीना, शो मी, गुड. ऋषभ, हाँ यस रवीना, आई हैव सीन, यस. Rishabh, are you doing your work in the notebook? Rishabh, you are doing the work in the notebook or not? No response. Rishabh is present in the class or not, first of all? Let me know.
Ma'am, not present.
Ma'am, not
हाँ,
present. He's not in the class.
he is not in the class. Okay, that means written here and gone. Okay. Fine, Nikita, yes, I am seeing yours also. Okay, now we'll continue. Yes, Nikita, good. Now we'll continue with the revision work again. Coal is an example of. Coal, question number 6, is an example of renewable, non-renewable, human or potential resource. Yes, Mehak. Question number 6, coal is an example of
Renewable.
renewable,
No,
Vidhi,
ma'am.
Vidhi,
Non-renewable.
non-renewable,
Non-renewable resource.
Non-renewable resources, ma'am.
Okay, finally you got the answer, that is non-renewable resources. Everybody is clear till 6th? Now 7th.
Yes, ma'am.
Technology is an example of natural resource, human-made resource, or both A and B, or none of these. Technology is an example of, yes. Name first.
Human-made resource.
Ma'am
Shubham.
Human-made resource.
Human-made resource.
Okay.
Human-made resource.
Okay. Finally, everybody knows that technology is example of human-made resource. Human use technology, na? Yes.
ma'am.
And new technologies are there made by human beings. So now next question. Resources used carefully and giving them time to get renewed.
Resource conservation.
Resource conservation.
Resource conservation.
Okay. Who has asked the answer? Wait, who has asked the answer to you all? किसने आंसर पूछा? आपका नाम लेके पूछा मैंने. Have I given you the name? That yes, now you answer. दूसरे तो एक जना बोलता है, लगता है दूसरों को करेक्ट है तो वो सब बोलने लग जाते हैं. That is why I am giving the chance to each and everyone to speak out. So don't speak like that only. First listen. When I ask you, then only you have to reply. So resources used carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called, yes, Dhruv? Dhruv?
Ma'am, I think resource conservation.
Okay, Nikita?
Resource conservation, ma'am.
Okay, Shubham?
Option B.
Shubham?
conservation.
Anjali?
conservation.
Ma'am, resource conservation.
Okay, finally everybody is favor of B option, resource conservation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. So question number 8 will be B, resource conservation. Now next is question number 9, balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future generation is called. Yes, Vineet?
Ma'am,
Vineet, I want to,
Sustainable development.
who has given this answer?
ma'am, Shubham.
Yes, Shubham. What happened, beta? Have I taken your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vineet. Balancing the needs to use the resources and also conserve them for future generation is called. Which option? Development, devolution, sustainable development, or all of these?
Ma'am, C, sustainable development.
Okay. Anybody else? Vidhi? Which answer?
Sustainable development.
Then Shubham?
Ma'am, C. Sustainable development.
Shubham.
Sustainable development.
Now everybody is in favor of sustainable development. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then good. If you have written C option correct, sustainable development. Balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future generation is sustainable development. Now question number 10th. Which one of the following does not make substance a resource? Be careful, not is used here. Which one of the following does not make? You have to read the questions carefully. Does not make resources.
मैं बोलूं अंजलि?
Yes, Anjali.
Ma'am, Shubham.
Okay, first Anjali, then Shubham.
Ma'am,
Anjali.
quantity.
Okay, then Shubham. Shubham,
Ma'am, I think utility.
you think utility?
Ma'am, Jayashree.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Vineet.
Vineet.
Ma'am, मैं बोलूं Vineet?
Yes, Vinny.
Ma'am, quantity.
Quantity. Anybody else whose name first? And give your name and group.
Vidhi.
Yes, Vidhi.
Shubhang.
Quantity.
Yes,
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Ma'am, Shubhang utility.
Tanishka, quantity.
Okay, now listen.
Quantity.
Okay.
Dhruv, quantity.
Okay. So most of you have written quantity, which is the correct answer. Most of you have written quantity, which is the correct answer. Good. For entire 10 it is over. Everybody,
Yes,
have a notebook completed with the options correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second question number 11th. Which one of the following is a human-made resource? Which one of the following is a human-made resource?
Ma'am,
Jayashree.
Ma'am,
Shubhang.
Preet.
Ma'am, मैं
Shubhang.
बताऊं?
Ma'am,
मैं
Ma'am,
बताऊं?
Shubhang.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Wait.
Ma'am, medicines to treat.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Ma'am, medicine treat cancer.
Ma'am, Priyanka.
If when you just have to raise your hands up. मैं आपके हाथ ऊपर देख रही हूँ ना. When I will see the student who is not getting chance, at least you एक बार बोलने का उसको मौका तो दे. We should give the chance to other students also. But you raise your hands up. Might be that student is not able to give, then you can be given the chance. Clear? Everybody will not repeat the name again and again. सब अपना अपना नाम बोलने में लगे हैं. First, I'll give the chance just now to Siddharth, because after so many questions now, Siddharth is getting the chance. Yes, Siddharth, which one of the following is human-made resource?
Ma'am, option A, medicine to treat cancer.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Preet
Shubham.
first.
Ma'am, medicines to treat cancer.
Jayashree,
Option A.
A. Then Dhruv,
Ma'am, option A, medicine to treat cancer.
Siddhi,
Ma'am, option A.
okay, so all of you are in favor of A option, that is medicines to treat cancer. That is the correct option. 11th. Which one of the following is a human-made resource? That is spring water and tropical forest. They are the natural, but human-made is medicines. Okay. Now next question. Non-renewable resources are those which are limited stocks or made by the human beings or derived from the non-living things. Yes.
Ma'am, Vidhi.
Wait.
Vineet. Ma'am,
Ma'am, Jayashree.
Priyanka Chaudhary, then Imani. Yes. Priyanka Chaudhary.
Ma'am, medicine to treat cancer.
Beta, 12th question I'm asking. Non-renewable resources are. Yes, Imani.
Those which have limited stock.
Now, Priyanka, you can answer 12th also. Mehak,
Those which have limited stock.
Shubham,
Ma'am, those which have limited stock.
Ravina,
Ma'am, A option, those which have limited stock.
Okay. So those which have limited stock is the correct option. That means A option is the correct for 12th question. Okay. Next. State whether true and false. Non-renewable resources have unlimited stock. True or false? Yes, Vidhi.
Ma'am, false.
False. Dhruv.
Ma'am, false.
Anjali.
Ma'am, false.
Anybody in favor of true? Anybody who is in favor
Ma'am,
of true?
false. False.
Non-renewable resources are? Yes.
False. Ma'am, false.
Okay, then
Ma'am,
it is,
false.
yes, false is the correct option because they have non-renewable resources have limited stock.
Limited stock.
Okay, solar and wind energy is an example of renewable resource. Yes.
Shubham.
Yes, Siddharth. Shubham.
Ma'am,
or-
Shubham.
Okay, Shubham.
True.
Okay.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Yes, Vineet. Vineet, yes. Which option is correct? Vineet. Wait. Vineet.
Ma'am, ma'am,
True?
ma'am, true.
Okay. Mehak. Gargi.
Ma'am, true.
Okay, Gargi.
true.
Okay. So everybody is in favor of true?
Yes,
That-
ma'am.
Yes, this is the correct option,
ma'am.
true. Then resources are equally distributed all over the earth.
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Anjali.
Vineet.
False.
Ma'am, Shubham.
Yes, Shubham.
True. True. Ma'am,
Okay.
true.
Ravina.
false. False. Ma'am, false. Ma'am, Tanishka, false.
Okay.
Ma'am, Siddharth Kevlani, false.
False.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Yes, Vineet.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Yes, Vineet. Which option?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true. Vineet Mirchandani.
Resources are equally distributed all over the
Ma'am,
earth.
Ma'am, BT.
True, true.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, BT. False. Ma'am, Preet.
Ma'am, Ravina, false.
Ma'am, BT.
Correct option is false. Resources are not equally distributed. बेटा कहीं पर gold ज्यादा है, कहीं पर coal ज्यादा है. Resources are not distributed equally over the earth. Just now in the blanks and all we have written now. Here, where which option it was? Here, resources are distributed unequally over the earth.
Ma'am,
And we have
ma'am,
given the option also. Why? Because of the different natural.
ma'am, unequal. Ma'am, ma'am, unequally होगा मैम मैंने
हाँ, तो यहाँ पर हमने देखो बोला है कि इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अनइक्वली और हमने रीजन भी दिया है व्हाई इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड unequally because of different natural condition. And here about true and false, the same thing is written, but in true and false way. Means same question is there, but it is asked in another way. That is, resources are equally distributed all over the world. अब यहाँ मैंने equally लिख दिया. Equally लिख दिया, क्या हो गया? बिल्कुल question change हो गया. Yes or no? So in this way, same question can be asked in another form also. कभी true and false के और can be asked in filling the blanks also or in the MCQs. So it will be resources are distributed all over the earth equally. Yes or no?
False.
False. B will be the correct option. False. Clear, Vineet, now? And the one, all of you, those who have written true, put a wrong over there and write down false over there. The correct option. Now filling the blanks. Anything that is used to satisfy a need is called a.
Ma'am, Anjali. Pranjal.
Yes, Pranjal.
Ma'am,
Anjali.
Preet.
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Ma'am, Preet.
Pranjal.
Ma'am,
Pranjal.
Ma'am, option A. Ma'am, Tanishka.
Siddhi.
Ma'am, A. Resource. Ma'am, Tanishka. Ma'am, Himani.
If you are going to take your name, I will not give you means announce your name to give the answer. मैंने आपको बोला सिर्फ raise your hands up. Yes, anything that is used to satisfy a need is called a 16th A resource. Next is 17. Dash is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Yes, Vedanshi.
Ma'am, C.
C.
Technology.
Anybody else? Repeat.
Shubham.
Ma'am, technology.
Shubham. Shubham.
Siddharth, technology.
Ma'am, technology.
Okay,
Ma'am,
technology. Mehak.
Technology.
Siddhi.
Technology.
Dhruv.
Ma'am, technology.
Okay, then finally the answer, correct answer is technology only. If you are written technology, most means everybody has written technology, it is the correct answer. Clear? So technology is the application in the latest knowledge and skill in doing and making things. All resources have some. All resources have some. Yes,
Ma'am,
Pranjal.
Himani.
Wait.
Value. Value.
Any other answer? Those whose hands are raised, have any other answer apart from
Ma'am,
value?
Shubhang.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Shubhang.
utility.
Ma'am, utility. Ma'am, utility.
Yes, Imani.
Value, ma'am.
Value. All
Ma'am,
resources have
value.
some value. हर रिसोर्स की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू होती है, इंपॉर्टेंस होती है. ठीक है, all resources have value. So the correct option will be B. Okay. 90. Time and dash are two important factors that can.
Shubhang. Ma'am, Shubhang.
Himani.
Ma'am, Shubhang. Technology.
Ma'am, Anjali.
Gargi.
Ma'am,
Gargi.
Ma'am, Anjali.
Technology.
Okay. Siddhi.
Ma'am, resource.
Bhavika.
Ma'am, technology.
Tanishka.
Ma'am, technology.
Ravina.
Technology.
Okay, technology is the correct answer. Now our last question for the day is dash and help in making people a valuable resource.
Education.
Ma'am, Shubhang.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Shubham.
education.
Vedanshi.
Mehak.
Mehak, yes.
Ma'am, education.
Okay.
Education.
Okay.
Ma'am, A, education.
Okay. Finally, A, education is the correct option. I hope this geography lesson is also understood by each and everyone.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
discussions done. Now listen carefully. Apart from these questions, other questions can also be asked. ये आप सिर्फ revision work पे ही depend नहीं रहना. You have to go through the lesson also. Read the lesson carefully. Whatever information is given in the under the picture in history, civics, geography, three of them I am talking about. Three subjects I am talking. Lesson 1, you have to read each and every line carefully. If any picture in the lesson is given underneath any information is given, you have to learn that information also, read that information also. Might be the question can be from that side also. Plus, if glossary is there, like in civics, glossary part is there, meaning is given there, or side boxes, do you know, like that is given. You have to go through all those also. Clear? Learn the lessons nicely, all the lessons. This was just the revision. ये सिर्फ एक तरीका का रिवीजन लिया था. Rest.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
मैम आप
Siddharth
इस
Arpin.
डॉक्यूमेंट मैम आप इस डॉक्यूमेंट की पीडीएफ ग्रुप पे सेंड कर दोगे?
बेटा ग्रुप में नहीं. This live content will be uploaded on student portal. What we have discussed today, na, it will be all uploaded on student portal and the link will be there over there for today's class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yes, Siddharth, good. I have seen yours. Yes, you have completed. I hope everybody has understood all the questions and their answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow we will do the revision work of civics. Okay. And your revision test on Google Form will be on which date? Which date I had given you? Google Form on
2nd July.
Yes, 2nd July. For 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood each and everything and try to learn nicely each and every line from the book. You read it carefully. Clear? anything can be asked. That's all for today. Thank you.